Dive with me into this Chinese house that invites natural elements, wind, rain, and shadow to coexist, like this sundial tower rising from a reflecting pool, transforming into a body workshop. Number 8 house in Dongnan Village, designed by Xian architects, transforms a small plot into a space that brings architecture and community together. The house combines traditional areas with spaces for socializing, learning, and body practices, all connected by open passages that invite light, wind, and shade into everyday life. Four buildings with completely different styles surround and form a meticulously organized front courtyard complex, which includes a book tower, a sundial tower, a living room, dining room, yoga and meditation room, master suite, 6 guest rooms, and other supporting spaces. This house was born from the desire to live freely, not only in the arrangement of spaces, but in the architectural stance itself. Each room, the living room, dining room, master suite, and 6 guest rooms, responds to both solitude and collective joy. The emotional connection to the surroundings is present in every line and detail. As we walk through, we notice how light moves throughout the day, creating different atmospheres in every corner. We are just 2 kilometers from the central square of this ancient Chinese village, where the climate feels like eternal spring, a place shaped by generations of the Bai people. The courtyard is the heart of the house. It's open, allowing air to flow freely and rain to touch the ground, keeping nature ever present. Around it, the volumes are distributed in harmony, respecting the rhythm of the surrounding village, with sloping roofs and walls that echo local architecture. Inside, simplicity stands out. Each space opens to the landscape as if the house breathes with its environment. The transitions between inside and outside are subtle, almost imperceptible, creating a sense of continuity. The use of natural materials like wood and brick reinforces this deep connection to the earth. Exposed beams reveal the structure of the building, bringing an honest and welcoming character. Nothing here is merely aesthetic. Everything serves a purpose, whether structural or for shade and thermal comfort. The library of Number 8 house is represented by the book tower, one of the 4 buildings that form the front courtyard of the house. This space is not just a place to store books, but also a gathering point for the community, reflecting the intention to create an environment that unites architecture and social interaction. Upstairs, we reach a space that works as an observatory, where the sundial tower marks the passage of time through light. It's an invitation to contemplation, a place to observe the changing day, the shifting shadows, and the life unfolding around you. This house is not just a shelter, but a living organism that interacts with climate, light, and the people who inhabit it. It's an example of how architecture can engage in a simple yet profound dialogue with the surrounding village. Number 8 house is small in scale but immense in meaning, a reminder that a home can be modest in size and yet infinite in experience.